Have you ever looked at a celebrity and thought, how on earth do they always look so flawless, like they've just walked off a magazine cover? It's like they've got some secret fountain of youth that the rest of us just haven't discovered yet. Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal the top 5 celebrity skincare secrets that keep them looking like they've never heard of a bad skin day, and how you can work a little of that magic into your own routine. Make sure you tune in to the end of this video to learn a DIY skincare trick from one of your favorite celebrities. 5. Hydration. Let's talk about Jennifer Aniston. This woman has been glowing since the 90s, and it's not just because of some fancy Hollywood voodoo. Her secret? Good old-fashioned water. While the rest of us are over here drowning in a sea of skincare products, Jen's been drinking water like it's the elixir of life. Because for your skin, it kind of is. Water does more than just keep you alive. It's the silent hero that keeps your skin plump, smooth, and glowing. Think of it as the ultimate detox, flushing out all those nasty toxins and keeping your skin cells happy and hydrated. And when Jennifer's not sipping on H2O, she's slathering on products with hyaluronic acid. This stuff is like a sponge that can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, locking in moisture and keeping her skin looking as fresh as a daisy. If you want in on this glow, start by upping your water intake. We're talking at least 8 glasses a day, more if you're sweating it out at the gym or laying out in the sun. And don't forget to give your skin a direct hit of hydration with a good hyaluronic acid serum. Oh, and here's a pro tip. Apply it to damp skin to really seal in that moisture. 4. A healthy lifestyle. If you've ever wondered how Zendaya manages to look like she just stepped out of a dream, the answer isn't in some secret potion. It's in her lifestyle. Zendaya knows that real beauty starts from the inside out. Sure, she's got great products in her skincare toolkit, but what she really relies on is a healthy diet, regular exercise, and a solid sleep schedule. Your skin is a reflection of what's happening inside your body. If you're fueling up on junk food and skipping workouts, your skin is going to show it. Zendaya sticks to a diet rich in fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and healthy fats. The kind of stuff that makes your skin glow with a thank you. Foods loaded with antioxidants, like berries and leafy greens, are especially powerful because they fight off free radicals, those nasty little molecules that can cause skin damage and speed up aging. And then there's exercise. It's not just about getting in shape, it's about boosting your circulation, which delivers more oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells, giving you that natural, healthy glow. Plus, sweating helps clear out your pores, so don't be afraid to break a sweat. Just make sure to cleanse your skin afterward to keep it clean and clear. And let's not forget the magic of sleep. When you're sleeping, your skin is hard at work repairing itself from the day's damage. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night, and you'll wake up with skin that's ready to take on the world. 3. Sunscreen. Nicole Kidman has some of the most enviable skin in Hollywood, and she'll be the first to tell you that her secret weapon is sunscreen. Rain or shine, indoors or out, Nicole never skips her SPF, and neither should you. Think of sunscreen as your skin's personal bodyguard, protecting it from the sun's harmful UV rays. These rays aren't just responsible for sunburn, they're also the main culprits behind premature aging and skin cancer. UVA rays are sneaky. They can penetrate clouds and windows, causing wrinkles and age spots, while UVB rays are the ones that give you that painful burn. To keep your skin looking youthful and healthy, go for a broad-spectrum sunscreen that protects against both UVA and UVB rays. And don't settle for anything less than SPF 30. Your skin deserves the best. Make sunscreen a non-negotiable part of your morning routine, like brushing your teeth. And remember, reapply every 2 hours if you're out in the sun, especially if you're swimming or sweating. Think of it as insurance for your skin's future. 2. Customized skincare. Rihanna isn't just a global superstar, she's also the queen of flawless skin. Her secret? She doesn't follow the crowd. She customizes her skincare routine to meet her skin's specific needs. Over the years, she's dealt with everything from acne to hyperpigmentation, and she's mastered the art of giving her skin exactly what it needs, when it needs it. Here's the thing, there's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to skincare. What works for your best friend might not work for you, and that's okay. To build your own routine, start with the basics: a gentle cleanser, a good moisturizer, and sunscreen. We've talked about how important that is already. From there, add in products that target your specific concerns. If you've got dry skin, look for hydrating serums and masks with ingredients like glycerin and hyaluronic acid. If you're dealing with breakouts, salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide are your new best friends. They help clear out pores and reduce inflammation. And if you're battling dark spots, vitamin C is a powerhouse ingredient that brightens your skin and evens out your complexion. The key is to listen to your skin. If something's not working, don't be afraid to switch it up. And don't feel like you need a million products. Sometimes, less is more. It's all about finding the perfect combination that makes makes your skin look and feel its best. I'll be uploading more videos that talk about how to target your specific skin issues, so make sure to subscribe for more info and helpful skincare tips. 1. Treatments. Celebrities love professional treatments. From microdermabrasion to chemical peels, these treatments are like hitting the reset button on your skin. Microdermabrasion is all about exfoliation. A special device gently buffs away dead skin cells, revealing the fresh, smooth skin underneath. It's great for dealing with fine lines, acne scars, and uneven texture. Chemical peels go a bit deeper. They use special solutions to exfoliate and rejuvenate your skin, tackling issues like pigmentation, wrinkles, and dullness. There are different levels of peels, from light ones that give you a quick glow to deep ones that can make a dramatic difference. And let's not forget about facials. They're not just for pampering. Regular facials can keep your skin clean, hydrated, and glowing. If you're curious about professional treatments, book a consultation with a dermatologist or a licensed esthetician. They can help you figure out which treatments are best for your skin type and goals. And remember, you don't need to break the bank. I recommend getting an occasional professional treatment to give your skin that extra oomph, while doing at-home treatments regularly to maintain your skin. Priyanka Chopra is a great example of a celebrity who loves at-home natural treatments. Priyanka and her mom shared the recipe for her exfoliating and brightening Ubtan face mask, which I've tried and absolutely love. Let me share it with you. Mix about 2 spoonfuls of whole wheat flour, a pinch of turmeric, a few drops of lime juice, and 1 spoon of full-fat yogurt. Mix it all together to make a paste, and add a few drops of rose water if it's too dry. Put it all over your face, leave it for about 20 minutes, and then slowly rub it off your skin to exfoliate when it's dry. Finally, wash off the extra residue with lukewarm water. Let me know if you try this mask, and remember to drink your water, take care of your body, protect your skin with sunscreen, customize your routine, and treat yourself to some professional care when you can. Comment how these tips work out for you. I really want to hear about your results. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips like this.